Goddess V Squish, and welcome to another video about magnetic balls. And I have done 2 more videos about magnetic balls before, and here's another one. This one does not teach you much, but I mean it might, but it's basically what you can do to have your magnetic balls seem satisfying, as the red and orange just demonstrated. Oh, that's cool, kind of. Oh, no. Opposite magnets. Oof. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. They're all attaching. I don't want that to happen. Okay, so I'm gonna push yellow, green, blue, and purple kind of out of the way. Focus on orange and red. So, I mean, it really doesn't matter what color you have, but I just decided to. Okay, so I'm going to take the edge and I'm going to pull apart. Oh, that doesn't work. Wait, what am I talking about? I have no idea. No, you're going to pinch right here. That was pretty satisfying, if I do say so myself. But, yeah. The thing I really like about magnetic balls is that you can do so much with them. Like, so much. But, yeah. Ready? No idea if you just saw that. But I will do it again. And less hand-y, I guess. Here. Ready? Okay. So, yeah, there's that. Kind of look like a zipper. Kinda. Just me? Yeah? Okay. Well, I'm gonna put those to aside because I don't want to work with them anymore. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just putting them aside. Yeah. Okay, wait, so what I really love doing, which I showed in the other episode, but yeah, I showed in the other episode, but I want to bring it back, people. I want to bring it back. Bring it back. I'm bringing it back. I don't know if that's a song, but it is now. So, you're welcome. Okay. So I'm actually gonna make like a bigger one. So it can like fit my finger. As kind of like a ring, but not. Yeah. A ring, but not. That's exactly what I want. A ring, but not. Hehe. Okay, awkward silence. So yeah, but this has really good, satisfying sounds. Just listen. Okay, I don't know if you saw that or heard that, so I changed the camera like I usually do when I film slime. So my hands are used to being all the way out here, but the camera is much closer to me, so I can actually play right here now. And it's so hard to get used to, so hard. Yeah. Okay. So you can be so creative with these. It's amazing. But I guess that was just kind of one satisfying thing. It wasn't really a lot of satisfying things. It was like 2, but still. And then it's going to hurt my soul because I know the pain and stuff that will happen later when I try to sort these, but if it must happen, I will make it happen. Oh my gosh. I haven't had them mixed in a while, actually. I don't really like the look of them mixed. You know, just personal reference. But, you know. Okay, so if you're wondering why I would ever do such a thing, trust me, I'm wondering that too. But I'm doing it because I want to show you guys what they look like when they're mixed, and like what the shapes look like when they're mixed, because they look really cool. And yeah, why isn't this one working? Okay, and see, they kind of just pull apart in a string, like kind of, yeah. Yeah, see? Okay, so now that they're mixed, and it really doesn't matter if I keep them in their normal colors or not, I'm going to show you what the hexagon thing looks like. I'm going to do a much smaller circle this time though, because last time, not the best. Don't know how this one's going to turn out, because it's more of a circle on the inside, like it's a 4x4, I mean 2x2, not 4x4. Oh, so it turns out a hexagon as well. I actually haven't tried this yet. Yeah, this is what it looks like. To be fair, I really don't like the look of it like mixed. So that's why whenever my friends come over and they're like, ooh, can I play with them? And they're separated in different colors, I'm like, okay, but you're separating them afterward. Which the other day, they were not separated by my friend. So, yes. Here we go. So here is this. It looked really cool up close, actually. Because you can see the light. My light. Okay, so this is what they look like. I mean, don't hate it, but I definitely 100% don't love it. So yeah. I don't know what that sound was at all. Like, I just make random sounds sometimes, and they just kind of come out of my mouth without me really knowing what they are, so. You know what, it is what it is. Okay, so after that, I think I'm going to end the video here. This one was, and I admit, probably the most boring out of the Magnetic Ball series. That sounds really weird, but it did seem pretty boring. But if you liked it, hit the like button. It just kind of makes sense. And subscribe for more possible Magnetic Ball content. But yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. Okay. And then hit that little bell for some notifications every time one of my videos comes out. That way you never miss one. I don't know. And if you noticed, I didn't decorate my area because for the New Year's party, I kind of had to take it down because I had to clean my my art table. But you know, it is what it is. I think I've said that like 50 million times this video. I say a lot of stuff. Whatever. Just bye.